Use the first control to raise the forks up to 120 inches high. Your forks are at the proper height. Use the first control to lower the forks to 70 inches high. Your forks are at the proper height. Use the second control to tilt forward to 4 inches from level. Tilt complete. Use the second control to tilt backwards to 4 inches from level. Tilt complete. Use the second control to tilt the mast back to a level position. Tilt complete. Use the third control to side shift to 3 inches left of center. Side shift complete. Use the third control to side shift to 3 inches right of center. Side shift complete. Use the third control to side shift back to the center. Side shift complete. Use the fourth control to open the forks to 12 inches wide. Forks open, complete. Use the fourth control to bring forks together to 2 inches. Forks open, complete. Lower the forks all the way to the ground. Controls review complete. Turn off engine.